All right, now that we've learned about Assemble's project management tools, let's jump to the next major pillar of Assemble, which is file and asset management. Assemble is not just for timelines and tasks and planning, but you can also upload and manage terabytes of assets and files and anything else that you're working on throughout your project. If we go ahead and jump into one of these phases, we can see we've already added a few assets here. You can upload anything to Assemble. It can be media assets, it can be PDFs, photo galleries, project files, raw footage, Word documents, and you can even link to external websites and add them to Assemble as bookmarks. But let's go ahead and just jump through a few of those different types of assets we can upload. So within any phase, come up here, click Add, go ahead and click Add Asset, and you can just browse and upload directly from this screen. I've already got this asset uploaded, so let's just go ahead and jump in. Here you'll see our video player. Just go ahead and click play to start playing the video. And if we hover the video, you'll see some crosshairs appear. You can just click anywhere on that video to drop a markup. So let's go ahead and just leave a comment here. And once that comment's been added, we can now see that markup appearing directly here on the screen. You can add markups to videos, photos, and PDFs. Your teammates will be notified of the new comments. They can come in here, reply to your comments, have conversations, and collaborate around that feedback. Additionally, it's important to let everyone know the status of that asset. So come up here and just click Set Status, and you're going to see we have three options: approved, awaiting feedback, or changes requested. So once you've completed whatever you're working on, go ahead and update that status, which will also notify everyone on your team. Lastly, within assets up here at the top, once a new version is ready to go, just click the title and we can click Upload New Version and add a new version, which will create a version stack, enabling us to jump back into previous versions, see the past comment threads, and understand what feedback has been addressed. So let's go ahead and jump out of here, talk about a few more different asset types within Assemble. If we click Add, the second one down is a gallery. A gallery is a collection of files and assets. The obvious example would be a photo gallery, but you can really upload a collection of any types of assets. It could be videos and photos and PDFs and links and anything that you want to put together. If we open up a gallery, you'll see traditional gallery view where we can jump into photos, leave feedback, and collaborate on these in the same way. Next up is bookmarks. If you click to add a bookmark, you can bookmark any website or app that you may be working with. So in this example, we've got a link to a drive. Maybe the client sent us some brand assets. We can simply drop that link into here as a bookmark and then click to open it at any time. This enables you to just centralize everything that you're working on within one project, regardless of what website or app that it may be hosted on. Next below that is submissions. Submissions can be thought of as a gallery of galleries and are really used whenever you need to send multiple options for people to choose which one they like best. For instance, casting for a role or looking for a location for a shoot, but it's really flexible enough to use it in any multi-choice situation. If you're interested in learning more, check out our YouTube or our help library for more content on that. And then finally at the bottom, if you want to stay organized, go ahead and create as many subfolders as you want and build out a folder structure within Assemble. In lesson 5, we're going to discuss how to send assets out as review links so that external collaborators can leave feedback on them and you can manage the feedback process.